Beloved friends, let us begin our divine meditation this Sunday morning by quieting our minds, closing our eyes, closing those two eyes, allowing the one inner eye, the astral eye, to dominate, to come forward, come into manifestation in our higher minds. And so as we go inward, let us breathe deeply in and out. So go ahead, in. Let that breath out to Mother Earth. Again, deep breath in. Let that breath, all of your worries and concerns, fall away to Mother Earth to receive beautifully. Again, last breath in. And last breath out. Release to her. Very good. And so now just abandon yourself in the devotion of radiating your presence, your spirit, your light outward into all dimensions. With every breath, your light grows stronger, grows brighter, more vibrationally pure, and radiate outwards like that beautiful Christmas star that was seen in the east. Expand outwards with every breath, continuing on, expanding that awareness into all aspects of this universe, of the multiverses. And feel, I want you to sense yourself becoming one with the infinite presence of the God force, of that great infinite intelligence. Merge and become one with it. As today we enter into the Bethlehem of this holiday season, begin to prepare the manger of your heart for that vibrational truth, the birth of Christ's love that's so ever present at this time of year. And upon this altar that you have created within at this time in this sacred space with your brothers and your sisters, imagine all races stepping forward and hear their unique voices in your mind's eye, in your spirit, your very being, all of the races. See their beautiful skin colors. Remember their rich cultures. Remember their religious expressions. This is how they experience God. And I want you to love them all equally. And I want you to see in their body temples, the dwelling place of that omnipresent Christ vibration, our one precious human species on this beautiful, rare element called Earth here in the universe. It's so priceless. We are truly a priceless treasure because this gorgeous blue water planet is a very rare and living thing in our galaxy. And without its blessing, without the blessing of Mother Earth, we would not be here. Let each of our light touch upon every nation, every people, sharing our healing vibrations and the Christ love for all souls of all humans and all animals, all species. And see our healing energies showering down upon those nations that are at war, nations experiencing famine and discord politically and socially, upon those who have yet to break away from the vibrations of selfishness and harm to others. Let us forgive all of our enemies, both real and imagined, just as the great masters forgave their challengers. The Buddha, Moses, Muhammad, Jesus, Krishna, they all did it, so do we. They had human form, so do we. They have the same spark of God, that expression of God, the love, emotion, so do we. And begin to fill your hearts with the compassionate thoughts for those who would crucify you with unkind actions or words or ingratitude for the good, for the kindness that you give them freely. Allow your prayer to be, Father, Mother, God. Teach me to love those in error. Teach me to love those that are ignorant of the truth, who know not what they do. And let me not be unkind that I drive them deeper into chaos, but rather let my love, my light, my example persuade them to better ways of right living. And allow this sacred yearning to infuse your mind, your heart, your soul, and radiate this yourself, radiate your being outwards into all dimensions as infinite divine light in this moment. And know in this moment that this is exactly as you're commanded to be. Exactly. With this beautiful light of that Eastern Bethlehem star in your spirit this morning, awaken and hold and carry forward into the weeks and the months to come that Christ light, that vibrational Christ presence, the moving and loving action of God upon the earth. And as we begin to pull back our spirit, that infinite spirit, into this beautiful sanctuary that we call home every Sunday morning, bring it back into your precious body temples, that Christ consciousness. Take a moment to adjust to this third dimension, to this space. Take in a deep grounding breath. Let that breath out, returning into the present here with me. Opening those beautiful eyes to see your brothers and sisters who love you, who support you, who are on this journey with you. Welcome back, my friends. Welcome back.